This video, I literally said is going to be like the part 2 to the previous one. That is the video that was uploaded before this one you're watching. So in this particular one, I'm going to give you the lowdown of the longest exchange that has happened between two people in Big Brother's house, and that's Doyin versus Ceec. Then I'm going to talk to you about the secrets about Angel's mother's life that people don't know that Angel revealed to Mashallah in the house. So of course, this and more I'm going to relate to you in this particular video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you're a new subscriber or you're a returning viewer who hasn't subscribed, please do me this favor. It might be minute to you, but it means a lot to me. Click on the subscription button, click on the bell button beside for notification so that you can get updates on my new videos. Share comments down below and also share this video so that you can get more people, right? So of course, Doyin, after I think they had already had their dinner, or they were preparing or waiting for dinner, and Doyin was waiting around the couch in the lounge. Her and Angel were having a conversation, and this conversation was about Ilebaye. And indeed, Doyin was very pissed, disappointed to say the least. Now, Angel was telling Doyin about the fact that Ilebaye had told her what the full story and the full gist about how Doyin was trying to snatch Cross because he likes her, but she Doyin is going against her friend to snatch her friend's man. How Doyin has said bad things about her friend Ilebaye, and how a whole lot of things that made Doyin look like a bad person. This was all Vernita's doing. And then when Angel was done telling all this to Doyin was really pissed, saying that she can even come to tell you all this. She didn't even tell me this part. She only told me surface things, and I didn't know the full 9 yards of everything that her and Vernita had a discussion about. And to think that when I saw her with Vernita, I later called her. I was like, what discussion or conversation were you having with Vernita that was that long? And then everything Ilebaye said was not complete. Doyin was talking about how she's disappointed that for someone who could actually sacrifice themselves and go the extra 9 yards, that what Ilebaye is not worth it. Ilebaye is rather stupid person. It's like because she's very young, she's being too naive, and that at this point Doyin is tired, she's done, she's feeling exhausted. She also wants somebody to look after her, to care for her, and to be there for her, not someone she's doing for and the person is not appreciating. And I'm like, oh my God, is this like the end of the Doyin or Dbanj or Doye friendship? Oh my God, Big Brother's house is causing a lot of commotion. Moving on from that, so a few days ago, after the things that Vernita said about Angel, right? We noticed that online, Angel's mom came online and dragged Vernita to hell and back and told her we're almost same age. Look at the nasty rubbish you're saying. When you finish from the show, you come and meet me outside. And here was Mashallah, seen from yesterday when they came into the house. He's been trying his best to be cozy with Angel, and Angel has been having a good moment, blushing and having a nice time. It seems like she has a thing for guys who have a touch of bad boyness, ruggedity in them. So of course they were talking about how her mom was a young person. Her mom had been in the industry, the entertainment industry, for a while. In fact, that her mom is just, by next month, her mom will be 40, and that her mom had actually dated a popular celebrity. When Mashallah asked who is that, she didn't want to say, but then she whispered it. But if anybody can read lips, we heard and saw what she said. She said her mom had dated Dbanj, like they dated fully for a while, and that was just it. She went on to say some other stuff, and then what's his name? Omashola whispered something in her ear and they started laughing and giggling. I'm like, Anyways, moving on from that to another basketballs. Ceec and Doyin are seemingly becoming close, right? But then there's always seemingly like this sense of friction between the both of them. Doyin, for one, is a very intellectual person, a very factual person, somebody who likes to be understood, who likes to express herself and also get to a point of being non-biased, right? And then here was Ceec complaining about how Doyin is talking to the wrong people, how Doyin is two-faced according to her. Now, she didn't necessarily call her two-faced, but Ceec complained that why would you be intentionally attacking what's his name, Kidwire, and then you now turn in the next 1 hour or two and you're talking and laughing with him. And then she went on to point out why is Doyin being her friend when she sees that her Ceec is not relating with Alex, and hinting on the fact that she needs to dissociate from that, and a whole lot of other things she mentioned. But then here was Doyin trying to defend herself, saying that I really don't understand this. So that period, I was very pissed in the moment, and every of the person that were intertwined with the issues of, embarrassing Ilebaye the way it was done, I attacked. Then when I first saw Kidwire, the first person I saw was Pere, and I insulted him for a while. Then the next person I noticed was Kidwire, and then Ike. This is not me saying that, I don't understand what you're saying and why you're feeling pissed or something. I understand it and I'm sorry if that made you pissed, but this is what it is from my own point of view. I just know that even if I'm pissed with somebody, the time will come that I'll just overlook it. After all, life must go on. These two girls kept going back and forth for who is in right, who is not in right, and by the end, Ceec walked away, and then we saw what's her name, Doyin, talking to herself like, I don't understand. You're not friends with Alex, so because I'm now friends with you, I should pick an issue with Alex when she didn't do me anything. Okay, I blasted Kidwire and then we settled. That is now a problem. I'm now like two-faced. Then so she was like, you know what, big brother, madness is different. You brought mad people in clothes. They're not on the streets without clothes. They are in this house. Big brother, just change the name of this show to Fiji House of Commotion, because this is crazy. Please, I'm missing sex. I'm missing head. I need a massage because I feel everybody here is just frustrated sexually. Literally, I started laughing because that's exactly what I feel is happening at the moment. And finally on this video, as much as Neil claims to, I have somebody outside the house, we're just, chilling, having fun. Whether it's fun or what, this guy has interest in Tolani, but like forget it. Because can you imagine the cozy, intentional, under the blanket conversations they've been having tonight? I mean, I'm almost not sleeping because, love me sweet, before your liver starts to rise, you can leave. Anyways, so they were having random conversations about, experiences in the house, how this and that happened in their life. Soon enough, they began to talk about, your skin is dark. No, your skin is darker. Oh, you're darker than me. Oh, this one. I'm like, and so the love they shackle, man. Before what's his name? Neo began saying that I like your eyes. I like how lovely and bright it is. It is as beautiful as your lips. They're like proportionate, just like at some time I was like, okay, we should just kiss now, because I was literally holding my phone to the screen to capture the moment they were kissing. But of course, I think they kissed, but then the camera didn't show it. Maybe they did. Then at some point, Neil then asked her that, so how did Tolani Badge the name come? And she's like, my full name is Tolani Badge something. And he was like, oh, I see, that's banging, like the name Badge is banging. badge wears, badge foods, badge drinks, badge this, it's banging like it slaps, just like when I slap and spank your ass. I'm like, hey, uncle, take your easy. Take it easy. See, let's be honest, right? I really, really think that one way or the other, if this two gets the last in the competition, something cozy and nakademos will happen. But it ain't my business, okay? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.